Congratulations! Your loan is conditionally approved. A SunWest loan originator is always on top of her approvals, no matter where she is. Break free with Morgan.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Sarah Wolak. The Federal Reserve Bank in New York says first quarter household debt increased to more than $17 trillion. That's $2.9 trillion higher than at the end of 2019, before the pandemic recession. And skyrocketing inflation and interest rates has many consumers turning to credit as their refuge. Credit reporting agency TransUnion says in its most recent report that we're seeing risky business as a result. The agency saw steep balances in credit cards and unsecured loans, with credit card balances at a record high $917 billion. At the same time, fourth quarter mortgage originations neared record lows, while total mortgage balances hit a record high of $11.8 trillion in the first quarter. Last year, mortgage originations fell 65% when comparing the fourth quarter of 2022 with 2021, the largest decline since TransUnion began tracking. The New York Fed says mortgage originations continued to drop in the first quarter to $324 billion, the lowest level seen since 2014. The report also shows that Americans' tappable home equity is almost 4 times the size of Japan's annual GDP, with consumers sitting on $19.5 trillion of home equity. TransUnion says homeowners are using their home equity to pay off debts like credit cards, personal loans, and auto loans.
The number one usage that consumers use it for has been recently home improvement. And that makes a lot of sense with people staying in place and not wanting to kind of relinquish that low mortgage in the home that they're in.
The average balance of new mortgage loans has increased to nearly $330,000 in the first quarter, up 3.6% from a year earlier. TransUnion says home price increases have begun to moderate, but many homeowners are staying put. We'll be right back with an important deadline you won't want to miss.
Tired of turndowns and wasting 25 basis points or more on slow and manual loan processing? Divorce your processor and break free with Morgan Chat AI. There are no bad deals or tough loans, only deserving families that need AI-driven fast and accurate service. We treat every client fairly and with empathy. AI that understands how you feel.
I am Morgan. I get you.
Welcome back. Flexible work schedules are just one way companies can show they understand the best business practice is taking care of their employees. But it's not the only way. And we want to celebrate all the things companies are doing to create great work environments. So if you think you have that, nominate your company to be one of our most loved employers. We're looking for local, regional, and national lenders, as well as mortgage brokers of all sizes, wholesale lenders, and service providers. Just go to nmplink.com/mostloved. Nominations are due by May 19th. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.